Hey, all the amazing people there. My name is Shagun, and our today's topic of discussion is deployment of Azure Data Factory or ADF. So let's get started. Okay, so ADF deploy करने के लिए आपके पास या तो आप डायरेक्ट यहाँ से सर्च कर सकते हैं for data factory, or you can go and create a resource option in the Microsoft Azure, or you can see it here also, or you can choose it from the here from marketplace. So data factories, and you can see right now I don't have any data factory, so I'll click on create a data factory, and then free trial resource group, we have demo rg. I'll keep it the same. We can create a new one also. We need to give some name to the data factory, so let's say ADF demo rg, not rg but ADF demo. Then a location I'm keeping East US, version v2. Data factory name is already taken. Okay, so ADF demo 01 01. Let's see. Oh, is this name also taken? ADF demo 01. Okay, so this name works. Next. Now, if we want to configure Git, because data factory is used for orchestration and CI/CD purposes, so we don't want to configure Git right now. We can uh, link it with Azure DevOps or GitHub if we want, or we can do it in the later in data factory itself. So okay, now we have networking. If you have a private data factory, then you can create a private endpoint for it. And if you have public one, right now I'm keeping a public one. So this is the thing. And the other thing that you can see is that enable manage virtual network on default auto resolve integration runtime. So what is exactly integration runtime, that I'll tell you later. But we have two options. So our data factory from Azure itself provides us a default auto resolve integration runtime. So either you can choose it with a managed virtual network, or you can choose it without a managed virtual network. Managed virtual network helps us where we are trying to use it with private endpoints or some private services. So in that case, you can go with it. I would choose this one because I would like to show you some features of auto resolve integration runtime with managed VNet. So okay, then next, advanced, if we want to choose an encryption. So I don't want to give any customer managed key. If you have, then you can choose this option for encryption. Tags, just to as I've told you, tags are something that helps you identifying the resource better, classifying it. So we don't want any classification right now, no tags, and you can give them later also. Then review plus create, it will see if we have any violations in the policies and all, and otherwise it will show you violation. It will check if there are any policy violations while we try to create it. If not, then it will clear the validation and we'll be able to create it. So great, validation completed, initializing deployment. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to create. Right, so we can see the data factory. You can launch Studio and you'd be inside the data factory. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please do let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.